Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
TheRcSaylors, and I hope you can tell that we're excited to show this truck to you. You should be excited too, because this is the big brother to the 12428, the WLtoys 12428 that most of you have by now. And if you don't, join the club because you're missing out. This has lights installed and everything. It is amazing. Now this is the WLtoys 10428. The name makes sense. 12428 because it's 1/12 scale, 1/2. 10428 because it's 10th scale. I'll put them side by side, which is why we brought this, just so you can see the size difference. It's actually not a gigantic size difference, but it's there. And that's generally what you're gonna see from about a 12th scale to a 10th scale. As you go up in numbers, if you had a 1/8 scale sitting here, it'd be pretty huge. So that's nice. Independent shocks. One awesome thing about this is that it does come with this really nice transmitter. Like, it's very well made, and it has an auxiliary switch on here, so it has a high and low speed gear.
In the middle is nothing.
Yeah, you can. We actually got this out of the box, and I thought it was broken because it comes on the middle switch, and I was like, "Are you kidding me?" But it's for some reason, maybe you can work on it or something. I really don't know, to be honest. But you have a high and low switch. We might be able to do a speed test for you guys. So I'll tell you what, let's get this thing booted up really quickly. It comes with a 2-cell 2200 milliamp LiPo.
With a Dean's connection.
Now, I'm going to tell you this. I'm not telling you to do this, but I am telling you, Abby and I, we run our 12428, the little guy. We put a 3-cell race drone battery in this all the time, and we run it. We just don't run it full throttle for more than like 30 seconds, and it does just fine. So this could probably handle a 3-cell based on that, and it could definitely hold like a 4000 milliamp battery or something. It has an included charger, but it has a European plug, so you're going to need a converter. We'll do our best to link one in the description box. Buy this. This will be linked down below if you want to check it out for yourself. And it's a pretty good little charger. It's just going to be a trickle charger. So we'll also link our favorite charger in the description box. So it has the instructions, and this is just such a nice transmitter. Here we go. Power on. It tells you the voltage on screen. It's just really nice.
Let's do a speed test before we lose power.
Yes.
And we're gonna have to make a walk back to the car because this battery is flashing on my camera.
Oh no! All right, well, let's hopefully we get the speed test done really quickly.
This is not gonna be extremely accurate here. There is a hill.
Let's just go right down here really quick.
Okay, ready? Set.
Ready.
Go!
High or low speed?
I don't know what you are.
Probably low. Yeah, I'd say that's the low because it sounds like it's geared really
Here,
high.
try switch to the other one.
Hold on, I want to see what the peak speed is. Okay, that definitely hit peak speed. It is
16 kilometers an hour.
16, yeah, that's pretty slow. But now we go to the high speed, and it should tell us. We should have a speed difference there. Let's try it. And I need to trim it up too. I'll do that in a minute. Oh, big difference. Very noticeable difference. Very noticeable difference. That's pretty quick. Let's see if it'll show on the GPS. Okay. 26 kilometers an hour. That's all right, everyone. Tell Abby thanks because she went and got a new battery, so I wouldn't have to carry all this stuff to the car. She wanted to get her steps in. Anyway, I don't know if you could hear me because I got cut off because the battery died. This was 16 kilometers an hour. On the slow speed and 26 kilometers an hour on the high speed.
And that was just Nathan testing. I'm sure I could probably go faster.
So it's a pretty significant difference is what I'm saying. Now let's bash. I hope you guys realize we are at the hill, so we will see how it does against that, and we just want to have some fun with this. So let's power it back on now that we have a battery in the camera. Well, trimming it was pretty easy. It's a digital trim on here. You just click this to go left and that to go right.
Cool.
And it's driving nice and straight now. It was a little crooked on our speed test. And we have DR, which usually stands for dual rates. So I just want to see. Oh yeah, that's actually a throttle trim. So we probably could have hit higher speed. I'd say we could have. Maybe just a couple kilometers faster. It was about 90. It was on 90% or so. Yeah. So there's our high speed again.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it does actually work. So you just rotate this and look on screen here. I don't know if you guys can see that. If not, I'll put it in the shade here.
Yeah.
And I rotate that, and we can just put it on about 90% to protect the ESC.
Cool.
That's really nice. Go back to the slower speed. I'll try the hill really fast, and then I'll just pass the controls to you. Let's go. I'm gonna climb on the low gear, and then I think Abby should try it on the high gear. Let's see if it actually is a good like crawler. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Yeah, just like a boss. This is a really good crawler like that. And then and that wasn't even full throttle. That was like maybe 30% throttle.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
That was awesome. First try.
Let me annihilate the hill now. Put me on
I think you should try it on the slow because that was really fun. I'm just coasting downhill. Look at the shocks, how they just bounce on with everything. This is really nice. This is really nice.
My turn.
All right, you're in the low gear, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's the low gear. I just wanted you to try it because it is, look at that. Juice it, juice it, juice it. Nice. Good job. Yeah. Okay, now when you get it at the bottom of the hill, kick it in high gear and see how it does. This thing is a great crawler. That low gear is awesome. Now this is bashing. This is bashing here.
So as fast as I can go now?
Sure, yeah. Just have fun. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, oh no. Oh, well, come on, you got it, you got it. Yeah. Good save, good save.
Take two.
Take two, take two. Oh no, you're hitting a root.
I'm not getting a good approach. Hold on, this is terrible. Embarrassing.
You gotta come up right by me.
What just happened?
I think slow and steady is the way to go. Oh no! Oh no! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Nice! Good job! Oh!
Slow and steady is definitely what you want to do on the hill.
I don't know if you guys can hear her because the mic on this is a little funny, but slow and steady on the hill.
That was an amazing shot of you jumping.
She's trying fast
There,
again.
that was
This
a
is
good
fast. Oh, okay. Okay.
Christian,
Oh no.
Oh,
You did it. You did it. Okay. We got it. We got it.
Uh-oh.
Can't see it. Can't see it. Yeah, it's back. This is amazing. If you guys have and love the 12428, I think you would love this too. Even though it just rolls, 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 rolls. I like driving it in that slow, the slow and low gear. Here, my turn. You've rolled it too much. Now we have auxiliary dual rate and auxiliary trim. I think those are just programmable in the future, like if you added lights or a winch or something. This thing is so awesome. Now I want to know, can we switch gears while driving?
Oh, it clicked though.
Yeah, it did click.
You might
so
strip something if
I'm
doing
going to
that.
say no, we shouldn't do that. I'm going to do it one more time. It did fine that time, but it would probably be safest
to stop
to do it.
and then-
Yeah.
Hey, you should take it in gravel.
Oh, let's do it. Oh.
No, you rolled. So I think the question,
Oh my.
the question everybody is wondering is this worth almost double the price
Ooh.
than the 12428?
Good question.
So 10428 or 12428?
Or
So big one or little one?
Or like two little ones or one big one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I I like this.
I do
It's got
too.
more weight. You can see that it definitely moves more, it sways more.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it feels more powerful.
It's just missing those lights.
Yeah, I know.
It definitely is more powerful. I like
And
that it has the two gears too. That's pretty
The
cool.
low gear, we can just crawl a little more scale and just take on whatever obstacle we want. The 12428, it's amazing, but it's not this amazing. Got a root there. Oh no!
No, you got stuck on the root.
Oh no!
It flips back over on the hill really cool.
It does, yeah.
Here, try it again.
I love this thing. Let's go at a different angle here. that crawling speed is nice. It's really, really slick today. The dirt is so loose because it's just been the whole season with nothing packing it in. Let's see if I can get this. Oh no.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, I keep getting...
You're fired. My turn.
Okay. Let's put it this way. The last 3 ground vehicles that we did on the channel, those are going to end up going to a different home. They're going to get... Oh, you got stuck on a root there. They're going to get either sold really, really cheap, or we'll just give them to somebody, you know, local, trying to get into the hobby. This one is really struggling on this loose gravel now, but we are going to definitely keep this right beside our 12428 very proudly. This is just awesome. The only thing I want to do is add lights to it. Oh no. There you go.
So
See,
our suggestion, I think, is if you have a 12428 and you like it, pick one of these up too, because it's pretty cool.
I agree.
And then if you have a friend, you can bash them both together, which is what we're probably going to do here in the next couple weeks. Oh, tree.
Oh, tree. There's like 4 trees over here and you hit the one. Oh, I think we might want to add some weight to the bottom of this because it rolls pretty easily. I think it really depends on your budget too. If you've got a little bit more to spend, go with this one. If you are on more of a budget and you just aren't ready to invest double the money, then go with the 12428. But this is awesome. This is really cool.
I like it a lot.
I do too.
I love the color.
Well, it's just a complete copy of the 12428. It's just a little bigger.
Minus the lights.
Minus the lights, but plus the transmission, which is nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Well, we have been extremely excited to show you this truck running, and just for us to get it out and bash with it, because as popular as the 12428 is, I just had a good feeling about this. I had a really good feeling about it, and I know Abby likes it because she's not even looking at the camera now.
I can't see, the sun is bright.
It is super bright. There we go. Guys, if you want to check it out for yourself, we'll have it linked in the description box below. And if you just want to say thanks for recommending something that's actually worth your hard-earned money, we'll have our Patreon page linked in the description box below as well too. We're getting pretty close to more and more milestones there, so you know, throw $5 at us and we'll give you some stickers, and you'll be entered into a giveaway at the end of the month, if nothing else. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!